If you are shooting your event yourself and the issue is coming that the event hall looks empty or there are fewer people than expected, and your job as a photographer is to make sure the event was successful, at least in photos. So how we do that? Let's learn the pro moves in this video. So first of all, I am making sure that I am not talking that one person is speaking and there is no one and you will be able to make it a full successful event. It's not the case. The case is there are fewer people than expected, 10, 20, 30 people, and you want to take pictures in such a way that it looks that there was a massive crowd. In this case, the thing which helps the most is taking tight composition. It means that in a picture, instead of trying to show the whole hall or the event space, focus on certain people. Like if there are 3 people sitting in a row, go sideways and capture these 3 people only, so that the full frame of the photo is filled with the subject. If you are going to take it from front, go and take, and do not leave extra space on top or on bottom because it might reveal the rows which are empty and behind the first row. The second point is not shooting empty areas. If there are branding materials, go ahead and shoot it. But if there are empty chairs lying around and 1-2 people walking across it, do not shoot those pictures or do not use those pictures while posting. In this case, the angle which helps is low angle. Getting down and taking picture from there, it means the top area would be of ceiling or sky. So in that case, the photo viewer would not be able to see what's behind the first few rows. Another angle is taking sideways. Like if 2 rows are full, go sideways, capture from there. It will look like the whole row is like this full. But take those only. Do not consider empty areas in that picture. Another angles are going behind the person and shooting from their perspective. Like if 2 people are sitting and you capture the speaker from their between, like their back is visible and the speaker's front is visible, it will give an illusion that the speaker is talking to many people at once. Do the same with the speaker too, going behind the speaker and capturing from there in such a way that most part of the frame is covered by the speaker's back or head, and little area where people are visible, it's shown. So it will help viewers connect that the speaker was talking to these audiences. In this scenario, one more important thing is to wait for moments. Like in any event, if there are even fewer people than expected, some moments happen, like someone clapping, the speaker said something good, the speaker finished their speaking and people are clapping. So try to capture those moments too. Like if you click or shoot the people clapping, the whole focus of viewer would be on the action, which is clapping. The other point is crowd layering. It means there are certain rows or columns. So when you will keep first row or first column people in focus, the other people would be in out of focus and they would appear as background. So if there are 5-6 even continuous thing, your work is done. Coming on to pro tip, it's taking most of the pictures during the peak moment. Like if it's an inauguration event, the peak moment would be when everyone is there. So get maximum pictures in many angles done at that time only, and you would be able to combine this picture and the event picture, and the viewer would not be able to tell if it's from same place or same time. Your work is done. Speaking of shooting your event yourself, if you have raw footages which need editing service, I have a service called Video Editor on Demand for Events, which is a convenient option for you to get those footages edited in a high quality. We are based out of Bengaluru, India, and my website link is in description. So check out there, upload footages. We will give you final edit video, which will be ready for use on social media. And if you are having your event in Bangalore and want me to capture, I am here. Feel free to contact on phone or WhatsApp. The details are in the description. Thank you.